Here's exactly how to store your tubes of caulk to keep them from falling over. Let's call this DIY craft time, as I'm going to show you how to make this simple caulk tube organizer. Just grab a can of PVC cement and some 2-inch couplings. The best part is you can customize these and do as many or as few as you need. You're just going to take some PVC cement and you're going to glue them all together. You can do a pyramid design or put them next to each other, however you want. I like to take some painter's tape to wrap around it while it's drying. And then once dry, we're going to peel all the tape off, and this is our finished product. And as you can see here, once you place the tubes of caulk inside, you can shake it all you want. They're not going to fall down. Now you can use a 2-inch PVC pipe and cut to size if you want. I prefer the 2-inch couplings because they're already cut, number one, and they're all smooth, so I don't have to worry about any rough edges. I started off with 12 on this one here, but I can always add more on later if I want. I just need to grab some more 2-inch couplings and glue them on. Here's a smaller setup I made a while back for a different space, and as you can see here, they even stand upright on this wire shelf. Normally they would fall over on the wire, but this keeps them up perfect. Be sure to follow for more DIY Made Easy.